Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in orthographic. We have to draw front view, top view and right hand side view in first angle. So when you see from here, right, we need to draw it in first angle. So we'll draw front view here. We'll draw top view down and right hand side view will come on left side. Remember that. In first angle, right hand side view goes on left hand side. Now if you see the length is 18 plus 20 plus 18, that is 36 plus 20, 56. So length is 56. Height is how much? 8 plus 16, which is 24. And width is 32. So when you see from the front, what do you see? When you see from the front, you'll see this part. Wait. This part, this part, this part, and this part, right? So I'll take height 8 mm. And there will be a full line like this. This is how much? 16. Other side also 16. Then we have 20. Sorry, this is 12. This is 12. 12 on both the sides and height is 8. This is what we will draw and this is 20. So from center I can take 10, 10. So it will be somewhat like this. When you see from the front, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 5 rectangles are there. This one, 12 by 8. This is 20 by 8. Middle one and 12 by 8. And this is the slope part, which will appear like this straight. And then we have this. So from center point, we can take 4, 4. And I can draw this also. So this is what you will see in front view. In front view, it will look like this. This is 8. Now after this, if you see top view, this 8 by 14. Right? Then we have slope. This is 24. This way. Then we have this 20. So from center, you can take 10, 10. Let's say this is the center point and I'll take 10, 10. Now this is how much? 16. And how much is this? 12. 12. It will come till here. It will come till here. And then we have slope. See. This is how it will come. This is top view. Now when you see from the side, you will see this rectangle that is 16 by 8. And this part also, it will be 16 by 8. Now this is 16, this part is 14, and this is 24. So this is how you'll get side view. So I hope you people have understood about front view, top view, side view. Thank you.